Year 3s, and welcome to your first post-teach maths video. The idea of this video is to recap what we've been over this week. And this week we've been over column addition. It's the first time you've ever done column addition, and it isn't easy. You have done a fantastic job at it, but we're going to look at a video. It's a video from a lady called Miss Bates from Netley Home Learning in Camden. It's a fantastic visual representation for column addition, and I want you to watch how she uses the place value counters to add the 3-digit numbers together. Now, she does use some slightly different words that we don't use, and you'll notice she puts her carry, so her extra 100 that she makes from her tens, she actually puts it on the top. Now, we put it on the bottom. But other than that, it's an excellent video, and it's going to just help you think about why we carry and how those columns are so important for organising our number. So watch the video, and hopefully for next week you'll come in with even more confidence with column addition. Bye!
In this calculation, we'll be solving 384 add 235 equals the sum. That's addend plus addend equals the sum. I've set out my calculation vertically. I have my ones column, my tens column, my hundreds column. I have my operation symbol at the side, my equal sign, and space for my sum. To start, we'll partition the number 384 into hundreds, tens, and ones. There are 3 hundreds, 8 tens, and 4 ones. Now I've represented this with my counters, I'm going to represent this in my algorithm. I have 3 hundreds, 8 tens, and 4 ones. Notice how I've left space above my first addend. Next, we're going to partition our second addend into hundreds, tens, and ones. That's 2 hundreds, 3 tens, and 5 ones. I'm going to write my second addend underneath my first addend, ensuring the hundreds, tens, and ones are aligned. Once my algorithm is set out correctly, I can begin calculating. In the column method, we always start from the right-hand side. So, starting at the ones column, I'm going to add 4 ones and 5 ones. This equals 9 ones. Now I can move to my tens column. That's 8 tens add 3 tens. I know 8 tens add 3 tens equals 11 tens. I can't write 11 tens in my tens column because that's too many digits. Well, let's think about this. 11 tens is the same as 110. Because I know 10 tens is the same as 100, I can regroup 10 tens into 100 and place this in the hundreds column. Recording this correctly is really important and where most mistakes are made. I now have 110 left in my tens column and 100 in the hundreds column. Now I can add together my hundreds, not forgetting the 100 I've placed at the top. 100 add 3 hundreds add 2 hundreds is 6 hundreds. Altogether, I have 619.